Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? Echefukwala, don't forget, aka m bụkwa onye nkuzi gị Nwada Chimdimma. I'm still your teacher, Nwada Chimdimma. So our Igbo word for the day is the word ulo. Ulo. Can you say that with me? Ulo. Very simple. The word ulo in English means home or house. Home or house. It is usually believed that the home is where family, love, and community begins. And also, there is this saying, the home is where the heart lies. Example of the usage: Ulom, my house. Ulanyi, our house. Uloha, their house. Another example, Ulo bo ebe obibi. I hope you've learned something new today. Don't forget to practice and use these words you've learned in sentences. I'll see you again tomorrow. Temesia.